How to 3D view my house in Google Maps on laptop. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can view your house in 3D view on your laptop using Google Maps. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type google.com/maps, then press enter to browse it. Once you reach to this page, either you can click on your location icon at the right bottom here, or at the search bar type the location of your home. Once you have spotted your home on your maps, now click on this layers option. Once you hover your cursor to these layers, you will find various options next to it. Click on this more option and then this window will pop up. And select satellite view from here. Now click on this 2D option right here to change to 3D. And once it turns to 3D, zoom it and you can see the 3D view of your house on Google Maps. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.